Gabriel here for the final video of Mario Kart Wii. Now, on my last video, I took on the Leaf Cup challenge. And now, on this final video, I'll be taking the Lightning Cup challenge on this final video of Mario Kart Wii. So let's begin, shall we? Alright. Now, who should I be on the last video on Mario Kart Wii? How about I'll be... What about Waluigi? Alright. What car should he be in? I know. Why don't he drive in the off-roader? The off-roader. So let's get him to drive that silly thing. Alright. We're taking on the Lightning Cup. So let's get this rolling. First race, it is Mario Circuit 3. Alright. This was remade on the Super Nintendo. So yeah, nice remaking on this. On to the race. Struggling Peach. Look what you made me do! You fool! Don't spread the lightning! Oh, get away from the Luigi. He's got lightning. Why am I struggling if I can do this? Get those threads. Or I need boots. Pretty Rosalina. Thanks, Mario, for not going ahead of me. I see your dirty tricks. Whoa, going up already, huh? Let's start, shall we? Alright. Sorry, Luigi. Boom, right at ya. Booyah! Wow! I did not see you there. That's just totally uncool. Alright. Well, you shall. Why don't we just... Gosh, you just dirty little bastard. Rosalina's not the problem. Get a boost here. Yeah, well, we're just laughing. Don't laugh yet, buddy, because we got 3 more races to get through. Alright, 15 points for me. So far, so good. Alright, baby Daisy in second, so she's behind me. Alright. Next race. And it is Peach Gardens. Alright. Look at all those chumps. Get along, little doggy. Alright, let's just race. Enough fooling around. Alright. Go! Don't push me in the water. Oh, great. This is like horror all over again. Alright, well, we'll get a better item. Alright, I guess I was struggling there. Sorry about that. Alright. Hey, you guys haven't gone that far. That's pretty good for me. Too slow. Alright. Hey, look! You see far away, it's like a head of a Mickey Mouse. Watch out for that mole. Why don't I activate Blooper? Now I'm the one darting up everybody instead of them darting up me. Alright. What's up to you? Toad. Oh, watch out for that. Not falling for that after the first lap. It was terrible the first lap. Alright. There we go. If you all want to release Red Shell, now's the time. I don't care now. Hit me! Not with lightning, you fool. Watch out for the chomps. There we go. Item time. There's banana right there. Look at him jumping. Silly mode. How? Final lap. Come on, Waluigi. Don't fail me now. Red shell. I'm not going to activate it yet. Just wait for the right moment. Then I'll activate it. Alright. Pretty good garden here. Garden of Peach. We're dragging all those item blocks, huh, buddy? Oh, someone put a faker there. I know that's not me. I wish I did, but it wasn't. Whoa! Alright. Bumping into walls gives me bad results. I could hit that mole with the red shell, I just won't. What are we releasing now? Someone will get hit at some point. And, okay, no more. Too late, Blooper. I won. Whoever activated you was a little too late. Alright. Another 15 points for me. Total of 30. So far, so good. Let's go for the third race. Next race, and it is DK Mountain. Whoa! Wow, what a sun! Alright, so bright. Alright. Let's do it. Go! Don't push me already, Toad. Oh man, so slow on the grass. Trip on that, Toad. Look at that volcano. Time to air draft. Woohoo! Another air draft. Third air draft. Oh, don't want to go there, that slows you down. What was that for? Come on. Oh, Luigi, why are you slow? Why am I an 8? I don't understand. Give me that star, Rosalina. Oh, that's what I call wall driving. No, don't fall. Second lap. Sorry, thank you. Sorry, Rosalina, you're sweet, but gotta take first. Volcano! He's in third. Oh, I am. Third's in second, alright. Thank you. I'm gonna get through that. Pretty cool, this. Alright, stay on the road, Luigi. Watch out for those boulders. I want to get hit by them. Alright. Green shell. That's a totally miss. Right back at ya! I don't think the result's going to be all that great. How? Wall drive. They're catching up to me now. Whoa! A little rocky those bridges are. Alright. Since I know the path very well. Haha! I dared you anyway. Get to see the volcano one last time. So forehead, you guys. Lightning. Well, we can still get an item. There we go. Red shell. Yeah, baby. Even on a little red shell, it stopped the other red shell. So none of you hit me yet. Whoa. There's my wall drive. Thank you. Place it down right there, so you all can fall. I made you win, Waluigi. Be happy for me. Alright? We got one more race to get through, so let's do it. Alright? Yeah, you see, I'm in first still. Alright? Next and final race in the Lightning Cup And it is Bowser's Castle. This was remade on the Nintendo 64, I remember. Alright. On to Bowser's Castle. Though I hate this place. Alright. Look, I'm breathing fire here. Oh, come on, Luigi. Fourth. Not too shabby. Oh, man. Oh, no. I was gonna get stumped. Got stumped, huh, didn't you? Oh, donkey. Don't dare fall in lava, Luigi. Wow, very stressed here. Alright. It's alright. Got the golden mushroom. If I don't trip on it in the lava, I'll be okay. I was okay. Wow. Everybody's pushy here. Give me an item. Thank you. Oh no, why that? Come on, Luigi, please. Spread it. Oh. Whoa! Not falling for that. There's another one right there, just to have it double. Double the fate. Okay, was this the second lap? Third place. Oh man, not this again. Come on, Luigi. No, that was for me, Toad. Stealing my items. I shall recover first before you do that. I hope. That was so fast. Catching up to him. There we go. No, baby, no! Oh! Come on, you covered well, Reggie. Still last lap to go. Final lap, alright? Catching up to Toad, but he's still too fast. Need to find something to outsmart his speed. There we go. Still haven't beaten him yet, huh? Still haven't outsmarted his speed. No! Thank you, Toad. You're getting smushed. What did I do to deserve that? Come on, Luigi. What I needed. Whoa! Gosh, I hate POW. Fourth. Watch out for that lava. Gosh, bad timing. Please don't make me fifth. Wait, I guess I'm not going to be first out for him here. I'm going to come down in 6. No, not 7! Well, that's a bad finale of to end this. That's a bomber. I was doing great before. Oh, well, let's just move on. What's done is done. I'm not even going to retry it. Alright. Alright, well, I still take the lead with 51 points. So, that's not too bad. Alright. To the ceremony. Alright. Waluigi, Toad, Baby Daisy. Alright. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this Lightning Cup challenge that I took. Alright. Alright, Baby Daisy's in 3rd, Toad's in 2nd, and Waluigi takes 1st place. Alright. What did I get? Ew, you joking kidding me, man? Why is that bad result? I don't understand that. Never mind. Let's just bypass this. Alright, well. There's the credits, okay. Well, I hope you enjoyed this final video of Mario Kart Wii as I took the Lightning Cup. So, that's it. This is the last Mario Kart Wii video. And like I say, if you want to watch it again and again, hey, feel free. Go back from the mushroom, when I took the mushroom. And you can relive it again and again. Alright, anyway. That was the final video of Mario Kart Wii. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it myself as well. So my Mario Kart Wii video is completely done. So I hope you enjoyed it. Mushroom Cup through Lightning Cup. And the series of Mario Kart Wii of my video comes to an end. But I will do Mario Kart 8 videos really soon. So tune in for that. Coming really soon. And please leave in a comment what you want me to play. What characters you want me to play on Mario Kart 8. And what you want to see me play next. And I finally finished the Lightning Cup and all the Mario Kart Wii videos. And I'm glad you enjoy me playing the Lightning Cup challenge. More Mario Kart videos coming up. And since Mario Kart 8 has been released 2 days ago, I'm no longer going to upload my Mario Karts every day, but I will upload it some couple of times. So don't be too sad about it. And like I would do, I'll be playing Mario Kart DS, completely done with Mario Kart DS, and completely done with Mario Kart Wii. Just finished it. And I'm not sure if I'm going to do Mario Kart 7 since I just got the Mario Kart 8 yesterday. So, yeah. But I'm going to play Mario Kart 8 shortly enough, and I'll upload it on YouTube real soon. So yeah, you'll get to see me play it. It's going to be lots of fun. So I hope you enjoyed this Mario Kart Wii video series. And I enjoyed it too, though. It's to celebrate the new release of Mario Kart 8. So, yeah. And see all the graphics on Mario Kart 8. Can't wait to show you. Can't wait to show you the unlock. And maybe I'll even do a live stream. You never can know. I might do an even live stream. You guys can even be on my videos as well. If you leave in the comments, I'll read them and maybe I'll put you on my videos. I'm very excited for it. So yeah. Alright, I think the credits is done. Alright, well, congratulations. Well, I hope you've joined this final video of Mario Kart Wii. But more Mario Kart videos on my future videos and my channel, so tune in for that. Congratulations, and I hope you enjoy the Mario Kart Wii series, because I had fun as well. Well, until then, I'll see you in Mario Kart 8, because on the next video, I think I'm going to be starting doing Mario Kart 8. So, I'll see you at Mario Kart 8, and I had fun taking on the Lightning Cup. So, and I had fun with the Mario Kart Wii. So, oh, sorry. My remote shut off. So my bad. Alright, well, I'll wrap it up. Congratulations to me, and congratulations to you all who stayed throughout my Mario Kart Wii videos. Until then, I'll catch ya, and I'll see you in my Mario Kart 8 videos. Until then, I'll see you in Mario Kart 8. Congratulations. I'll see you all at Mario Kart 8. Bye. I would say no. Bye.